Hello guys, this is Jamie at Car Cosmetics. I'm going to take you through a body repair. So as you can see, the side of this Mercedes received some serious damage from top to bottom of the doors. The rear quarter panel was folded in, there's creases in it everywhere. Front door's got some dents as well, just there. Now the first stage is to strip it all back and then spend some time pulling out all the metal. I'd highly recommend a new door on this one, but we went for a repair as agreed with the customer. Now the filler is there to level off and do the final finish once the metal's been pulled out of the door. So the filler's just to bring back some shape into the door. As you can see, we've got to rebuild the wheel arch, the line, and then the swage lines. Once the fill is complete, it will go into a 2-pack primer high build. Then this is a guide coat, is the black what you see, to block it down and level it off. So once all the primer's done, the car will get masked up and we'll go into base coat painting and clear coating, which you can see in the images in front of you. Then once that's done, the car will get a nice flat and polished, denibbed, clean and ready to hand over to the customer.